NBI, in your humble opinion, bakit ba nakakaporma? In layman's term, bakit ba umuubra yung mga illegalistang gawain ng mga Chinese nationals na to?
Mr. Chairman, there are many factors, no? But
In a nutshell,
yes, Mr. Chairman. First, because we're very lax, and there's corruption. Obviously, there's corruption in our government.
thank you. Mr. Chair, just to like to manifest from what I've heard from the very tedious and detailed interpellation of Congresswoman Luistro, and with the answers of our different agencies in law enforcement, in my own observation, para kasing ang dami nating agencies who are not really working together, that's one. Number two, yung iba nating agencies are being passive, not proactive. Alam na nilang meron ng kakulangan o meron ng semblance of irregularity, yet we are still waiting for more evidence rather than them gathering it themselves. Mr. Chair, I really appeal to different agencies in our government, especially law enforcement. We have to be proactive. Galing sa dating administration and even the present, we have to all work together para yung mga illegalistang Chinese na to, and also Filipinos who are coddling, some politicians pa who are coddling the illegal ways of these Chinese nationals. We have to put a stop to it. That's why Quadcom is really doing its job. So kailangan namin ng cooperation. Sir Amla, if I just may appeal, I do understand that you are doing the best, but we have to really be proactive in doing our job because time is of the essence, sir.
We understand, Mr. Chair.
Yes, again, Mr. Chair, marami pong salamat sa oras.
Thank you, Congressman Junicio. The next